Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a lot of stuff to do on the BRZ today. We're gonna be installing some slotted rotors and brake pads. All right, first things first, we gotta put the BRZ up in the air, pull off the wheels, then we get started and put on these new parts. Alright, so StopTech sells a full brake kit for this car. It comes with 4 rotors and pads and stainless brake lines front and rear. I opted for the slotted performance brake rotors. I think they're pretty cool, pretty sexy. It's gonna match what I have on the car and just make the wheels pop a little bit here. Came with the stainless brake lines, which I've always wanted to install. Never got the chance to install on the last car I bought, so I'm pretty excited to see the performance difference on these. And then these brake pads from StopTech here. They're made of a new material. It's called an air mid. It's supposed to handle heat up to 500 degrees Celsius, but to be honest, we're probably never gonna get them that hot. Ow, my nipple! Our game plan here is bring the car up to 40 miles an hour. Then we're gonna slam on the brakes, bring it down to about 15. Let off, let them cool off, drive it normally for a little bit with some braking in between. Just get those brake pads really like settled into those rotors. Damn, night and day difference, man. It stops on a dime. So Matt and I didn't get any clips of installing the stainless steel brake lines or bleeding the brakes out, but we did get that stuff taken care of. We bled the brakes out, we took it out for a test drive. Brake pedal feels solid, pressure's all there. Just remember, anytime you do any brake job on a vehicle, to always go through that braking period to seat those pads to the rotors. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. It means the world to us. We've gained about 100 subscribers since the last video we uploaded, so huge thumbs up to you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a single video from us.